Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Augusta and I'm your friendly neighborhood makeup artist. I make videos on all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle, so if that's your cup of tea, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload, and also like this video because it's fun. Today I have a little try-on haul for you guys, and I got a few things from Tanja Ýr Cosmetics, and I'm really excited to dive in. I'm just gonna let you know before I say anything else that originally I got compromised product. They weren't damaged per se, but they had some sticky residue on the boxes, and the boxes were a bit scratched up and a bit dirty. I contacted Tanja Ýr Cosmetics about that, and they were really concerned about the issue and they wanted to fix it straight away. So they get a really good review for their customer support because they were so lovely and they were very apologetic, and I'm very happy with how they handled the issue. So this won't be first impressions or anything. I've seen everything and I know what it looks like. So Tanja Ýr Cosmetics sent me my new products, and they said they would also put an extra goodie in, which I am so thankful for. It's little things like that that make me want to come back to support the brand. I have obviously done my makeup for today and I'm looking very cute. So this is what I look like without lashes. This is gonna be my control, so you can see what I look like without lashes and then when I put them on. Onto the parcel that I just got yesterday. You won't believe how hard it is not to open something that you get straight away, but I really wanted to film it, so here I am. From my original package that wasn't damaged was these tweezers. They're really gold, and I'm a little bit of a magpie, so I love everything that shines. It's just plain eyelash tweezer. It says Beauty by Tanja here on the side. They don't close completely, but that's fine because you're only using it to place your eyelashes on. You're not using it to pluck any hairs. I'm looking at the boxes that I just received. They look better than the ones that I originally received. However, they still have something on them. Really happy with the inside of it. There is one little stain of something on the inside right here. I'm not gonna bother with it. It's so minuscule compared to last time. This is clean as hell. I am so happy with this. I love it. The design is beautiful. It's something that I can display proudly because I was really disappointed last time that my book was damaged and scratched, that I couldn't really place it somewhere where I could display it. This book contains placements for 14 pairs of eyelashes. I am so excited for this because I am a mess. I have a pile, like a little caterpillar, of eyelashes in my drawers. I'm gonna show you. I am literally so ashamed of myself. This is horrendous, but... So these are all my orphaned lashes that I just don't put back in their boxes, and I'm really hoping that the book will fix this for me. This is shameful. I might just put the lashes in now. Bear with me for a second. Don't judge me because I don't know how to glue them in, and also I'm new. But look! I think this would be a really good Christmas present for someone who loves makeup and uses eyelashes. Bravo. Bravo. Let's go into the lashes and try them on. So first up, I got from my first shipment. So the lashes themselves are really, really lovely. They are very wispy, fluffy, very thin band. And yeah, let's try them on. As you can see, they completely changed the look. They're really nice. They're a bit longer than I remembered, and I only wore them a few days ago. Next up, I have Tanja Ýr lashes in the Mink collection again. This style is Athens. So Athens is a really long lash. So if you have small eyes, I do not recommend this lash. They're on the edge for me to be way too big, but I can kind of get away with it if I wear really dramatic eye makeup. They're a bit more full than Budapest. They seem very lovely, and let's try them on. I actually thought that they would be longer because they looked like they would be huge. I'm really sorry if the lighting changes. I have a huge window next to me and the sun is coming in and out, and so those were all lashes that I bought myself for my own money, and I think they retailed for 3,690 krona each because they are of that Mink collection, which is more expensive to make and to produce. also it's more of a luxury lash. Next up we have the synthetic collection. This is Tanja Ýr Lash's synthetic collection in Mexico. This lash really reminds me of Social Eyelashes in Minx 2.0, I think they're called. I'm not sure about that. They are that crisscrossy design, which is a bit like fluttery at the end. It's a really beautiful lash and I can't wait to try it. I had some trouble trying to get them to stick, but I'm gonna bring you a bit closer and show you how they look. I am really enjoying this style of lashes. I was really scared that they were gonna be like the socialized ones, which I have to say that I don't like. They feel way too heavy and I just feel like I get really tired quickly when I'm wearing them. These are fine. Like, they're not as good quality as the Mink collection, which I seem to be preferring. These are way lighter than the Social Eyelashes. I'm really happy with that. And I think I look really cute. Next up we have Tanja Ýr Lashes, again the synthetic collection, but this style is Morocco. This style online looks very strange. It looks like a point and then a square. I feel like it looked very costumey on the website. And I don't know what made my brain go, yeah, I'll try that, because they didn't look very good online. This lash is not as fluttery and airy like the Mink collection, which I get because it's synthetic. This style is so much more beautiful in real life than it is online. It's not just a point and square costumey style, it does have more symmetry in it. Let's whack them on. These lashes are really straight. There's not much curve to them. They just go, which I really like. I think they look very beautiful. They do feel heavier than the Mink collection. They don't have as much flex in them. I think that's the reason why I had trouble gluing them on my eye. The brand was really generous to me and they gave me 2 pairs of lashes for the inconvenience, which I'm so thankful for. They gave me, okay, it's also another collection. Yeah, so this is Tanja Ýr Lashes in the faux collection. First up from the gifted items is Japan. And these look so elegant. They look very natural and elegant, but they're really wispy and really curly at the end. The band is also clear, which I've never tried before, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, let's rock them on. I'm really enjoying these. These are really natural. They're very lightweight, but really beautiful. I think these could be very nice, like daily eyelashes. I never wear eyelashes daily, but if I was just going to a meeting that was important to me and I wanted to look extra nice, I think these would be perfect. Last but not least, we have Tanja Ýr Lashes faux collection in the style Indonesia. Again, the faux collection looks to be a very elegant and a very natural lash kind of collection. Again, a see-through band, which I love. Yeah, it looks like it's a really good lash, like when you need to be a little bit more fancier. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. Okay, let's go. Now I am wearing the style Indonesia from the faux collection, and just like Japan, I feel like these are very lightweight, very nice. Yeah, these, I feel like the faux collection is more natural, if that makes sense. Like, these are obviously very dramatic, natural lashes, but considering the other ones, these are so much more natural. Compared to Japan, these are much more fuller, they're a bit longer, and they do have the same kind of a design where they wisp up, but I did consider not cutting these because they were almost the correct size. I did take one cluster off and they just fit so much better. I think I'm gonna pick favorites now. From the Mink collection, I think Budapest is my favorite. I had them for a few days and I really enjoyed wearing them. From the faux collection, it's either Japan or the ones that I'm wearing, which are Indonesia. I think I like Japan better. I think such a natural lash is something that I really enjoy, and I like to wear a lash when I'm going to a meeting or I'm going somewhere where I have to look presentable, but I can't look too dolled up. Favorite in the synthetic collection. Now these are my least favorites of all of them. Favorite ones are Mexico from the synthetic collection. I can't really remember what it looked like, but I do enjoy a more natural lash usually. My absolute favorite of everything that I got is the eyelash book. I think it's such a clever idea, and it's so nice to have something to put your eyelashes in. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. I'm planning on making so much more content for you guys, so if you have any suggestions, please pop them in the comment section below. I really hope you have a lovely day, and until next time, bye!